Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren Singh today distributed uniform items to the Manipur police personnel at the parade ground of 1st MR. Works Minister T.S. Biswajit, Mahut Minister Karam Shyam and Health Minister L. Jayantakumar and top officials of Manipur Police were also present during the event. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights in collaboration with Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights organized a one-day state-level consultation program to understand the need of mental health care in children and adolescents, especially children with disabilities at lamjingbatomtv Palace Compound. The All India United Democratic Front staged protests in front of Assam Legislative Assembly demanding scrapping of the contagious Citizenship Amendment Act 2019. The protest was held ahead of a special assembly session that has been called to discuss the CAA as well as the granting of SC status to 6 prominent communities of Assam who have been agitating demanding the same. Kurai MLA Leisanthem Susindro said that the state government has taken up steps to legalize marijuana and that efforts are on to supply it to the pharmaceutical companies outside the country. He said this during the 23rd Foundation Day celebration of Maitei Huen Lalong Sintam Sanglen at Awang Lekinthavi Football Ground today. 23rd Raising Day of Maitei Huen Lalong Sintam Sanglen was celebrated at Awang Lekinthavi Football Ground today. The event was held on the theme Universal Peace and Love under the aegis of Universal Friendship Organization UFO. A Bharatiya Janata Party BJP office in a village in Asansol, West Bengal was set ablaze by some guns last night, according to a report. The BJP alleged that the Trinamool Congress was behind the incident. However, the TMC has denied the allegations. The School Management Committee of Public High School Lemapokpam in Nambol today distributed textbooks and took measurements of uniforms for around 600 students of the school. Imphal East District Police today conducted cordon and search operation at Konung Mamang under Parampat Police Station. No one was picked up or arrested during the operation, a report said. Manipur Government Transport Department has inaugurated a week-long 31st National Road Safety Week at ISBT Julalin today. Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu and DGP of Manipur Police L.M. Khaute attended the program. Units of 9th Sector Assam Rifles organized community service and security meet yesterday with an aim to interact with the local populace as well as sensitize them in regards to existing security situation in the area. The community service was organized by Yangon Company operating base COB of Manipuri Battalion at Ramrai Village Baptist Church, Ukhrul District to familiarize and orient troops of the company operating base with the local as well as identify with their local customs and traditions. While Maharashtra is leading at the national level, Tripura is on the top of the list of northeastern states in the medal tally of the 3rd Khelo India Youth Games 2020 in Guwahati as on Sunday. Maharashtra is on the top of the medal tally with a total of 38 medals including 12 golds, 10 silver and 16 bronze medals.